Hi. It's Thursday, 26th of November 2020, and the time is 19:05, 5 minutes past 7 in the evening. It's just about dusk, and I'm about to have dinner, which is a wrap with some mint jelly, Bryanston pickle, um, what do you call it? The last of my watercress, and some pickled chayote, and green Serrano chili. So I'm gonna wrap this up, for which I'm gonna need both hands. So I'm gonna end the video very shortly. And what do you call it? Yeah, that's it. I got the wrap. This is the wrap. It's wholemeal. They have this sellotape sticky thing which you're supposed to, but the instructions are so stupid. It doesn't know how it works, so I just cut it with the scissors. The hell with it, lah. Okay, so anyway, I'm about to wrap this up and enjoy my dinner for today. So see you next time. Bye.